going to try using the rotisserie function on our air fryer. Instead of doing whole chicken, I'm just going to do the chicken breast, because that's what we like. I prefer the chicken. So, let's see here. Big old breast. Okay. Now, I already know we won't be using both of these, all three of these. We'll be doing 2. And they are the ones that have the bone in. Trying to get me a hole cut in here. So that way when we put the thing in there, the metal piece, trying to figure out where. See a blade? Ooh. Okay. So it's right there. I'm just putting a hole down in the chicken breast here. Next one done. Now these are only supposed to take like an hour or so. So they may be done way early, but just in case they don't get cooked through as quickly as what it said. Just to find the hole in. Then I will have extra time to go. If y'all hear the noise, we've got my dehydrator is going from earlier. Okay. I'm gonna dry some of this, make sure they're good and dried off before they go in there. So I'm gonna put, we really like getting the ones from Sam's Club, and they use Lowry seasonings on there, so that is what we're going to do. Ours, these, just getting any. Okay, let me wash my hands real quick. These are our little prongs to put on the ends of the thing that goes on the chicken, with the chicken on. Let's get them covered good in some Lowry's. Down in there good. Trying to rub it in some. This is something new to try. We'll have to see what we think about doing it this way. And definitely some big old grass though. That one. Let's tighten it up on here. We're gonna have, hopefully they'll both go in here. This may not work. Get them both in there. Let's see. Where's my hole? There it is. May help if I put this on the correct way and not the wrong way, since it's got to go in the chicken. Seems we're twisting a little here. it on that line. Okay. Now we're gonna move it there. Okay. Hopefully, this won't be too much. Maybe a good thing we have extra time. Let me see. I wonder if we can take some of this off of here. We're gonna cut these. Cut this bone off here. That way it's not quite as big, and that's just flopping about, so. This is the reason you like to have good sharp knives, is so you can cut through stuff. Okay. Now, time to wash hands again. Okay, so these are going to go in here. We have, oh, it's telling me it's open. Yeah, it is open. Okay, put it in here on the rack, like so, hopefully. One piece of this chicken is not wanting to stay on. Good. Maybe if I move it back to this. Okay, here we go. Get it in here. On the rack. Okay, now this should have gone down. Okay, so I have it all in there. Since I got so much of this off my hands on here, and then just sprinkle some extra in there. Let's see, now, you can barely see them in there. Hold on. Clean up my chicken mess and sweat. Princess says she doesn't approve of this dinner. So we have them in there on its rack. We're going to close it. We're going to turn the rotator on and start. And let's see, are they going to start rotating yet or no? They're not rotating. Maybe I should have let it heat up first. We shall see if it's going to work. So I think that it should be able to, but if it needs to preheat. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we'll see y'all. They look really yummy. So let's pull it off. Off and out. I got one off. Now they make this look so neat. There it goes. Okay. What you think?
Looks good.
Not bad. Smells good. Looks like rotisserie chicken.
I can smell what you're cooking.
What am I cooking?
Chicken?
Chicken. Let's see, can we find a little bite to taste real quick? It's nice and soft and tender.
Looks juicy too.
It is. Bye. We're gonna enjoy our dinner.